Jobs for the weekend. It's really time to start watering all your pots with a liquid feed. Not just the ones around the front of the house that you can remember, but some of the ones you've got tucked all around that you may have forgotten about. Long-term ones that have been planted up and everything's been growing nicely over the winter months. But without the rain, they're going to be very dry. And that's certainly the case with some of these old potted hostas from last year. Those are the new ones we've done, but these older ones, the compost without a watering feed is not going to support the new growth. So make sure you go right round your garden and give them all a really good soak. Edgy grass borders. It makes such a difference to the look of the border where the grass meets it. We'll show you how to put a nice clean edge like this on. No need for any special tools, you can do it with a bit of line and a normal garden spade. If you've got a lot of borders, then a set of edging shears really is essential to keep them looking this good. And if you've got a lot of them, then just do one a day. I use this as an opportunity every morning on sunny mornings like this, while we're letting this lot have their first run around the garden, just to do one edge. Makes such a difference to the look of it, really worthwhile. If you grow hollyhocks and have plants that have overwintered, it's worth going over them at this time of year and debulking any leaves that are showing signs of rust. If you can get them early, you can really reduce the volume of rust around an area in plants. When you do pick them off, leaves like this, typical early rust, those little brown pimples on the back starting to show through with the yellow discoloration on the front of the leaf. Take those off completely, bag them up, and either burn them or pop them into your commercial waste. Hydrangeas, one of the shrubs that can typically suffer from some dieback over winter, but at this time of year you can see where the dieback has extended to, and it's really worth just going over the plant and removing anything that is dead or diseased. Not only tidies up the look of the plant and allows these young shoots to break away, but it will do the plant good by debulking any dead or infected material from it. So well worth going over the plant just to tidy it up for one thing, but improve the overall look and growth of it as well.